Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to export or import bookmarks in Google Chrome. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three-dot menu icon in the top corner. Hover over Bookmarks and select Bookmark Manager or press Ctrl plus Shift plus O to open Bookmark Manager. In the Bookmark Manager, click the three-dot menu icon and select Export Bookmarks. Choose a location on your computer to save the HTML file and click Save. To import bookmarks, in the Bookmark Manager, click the three-dot menu icon and select Import Bookmarks. Choose the HTML file you previously exported and click Open. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.